So we decided to drive out to Pukeoe lookout, and there's a place you can pull off back behind that mountain right there, right in front of it, but you can't hike down or anything like that. So we kept on driving and we found this cool place. Check it out. Now to get out here, that's a whole different story. So the road is a 1-lane road at best sometimes. So if you're gonna come down here and you're afraid of driving, I probably would not recommend it because there's hairpin turns on roads that have no guardrails. It is insane. What do you think, babe? That's her. She was like getting freaked out. So what do you think about the road?
I would not drive it.
You would not drive it.
To save my life.
To save your life. No.
I'm not crazy.
You're gonna die, huh?
I'll die.
You die first.
I die within like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Should I try it?
Try the mocha loco? Okay. I'm gonna try the Royal House. It's ham, bacon, lettuce, tomato with macaroni salad. I'm really hoping that the macaroni salad is part of the sandwich, so that'd be pretty cool. How is it?
Good.
Well, we just got back to the hotel from having lunch at Sheik's. Sheik's is an American cuisine / Hawaiian restaurant. I got the club sandwich. It was really good. He even got the Loco Moco. How was the Loco Moco?
It was delicious.
It was delicious. Not sure if you could hear that or not. Somebody's too busy to be on camera, so I appreciate the audio input. She's trying to play some weird Tetris game that isn't Tetris, but anyway. So we're gonna go check out a scenic overlook here in a little bit, and then go find a place for some dinner and unpack in the hotel and kind of call it a day. And then tomorrow we're gonna be doing some whale watching. So if you like some whales, hopefully we'll have a whale of a tale to tell. It is day 2. And we are going to go check out some blowholes and some scenic viewpoints today so I can try and get some more drone footage. And then at 2 o'clock, we're going to go whale watching. And then after that, we'll probably figure out something else to do. And then tomorrow, we're going to go to the Black Sand Beach. It's a state park and they have timed entry, but I'll go into that a little bit further when we get closer to it. It's 66 degrees right now, but it doesn't feel 66 degrees, does it? Never mind, it's too early for her. But anyway, let's get on with our day.
we decided to stroll down to Paia. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It's about a 7-minute drive from the hotel, but it looked like a cool little town to come through when we were driving through back from Hana. So we're gonna go check it out. Now they do have free public parking right inside the town. If you're coming in from like the airport area, if you're coming in from like the Hana, then you're gonna have to go through and it'll be on your left. One cool thing about the parking is the wall is just full of murals all the way down. It's pretty cool. So we just went to the artesian ice cream shop and I got some Tahitian vanilla ice cream and Tahitian got some coconut macadamia. They actually have like 4 different like vegan flavors. So if you're a vegan, that's pretty cool. You can get some ice cream there too, but I'm non-vegan, so I'm gonna eat you some Tahitian vanilla. So to all of my young viewers who don't know what this is, it is a payphone. You used to put things like nickels and dimes and quarters in them, and then you push the number that you wanted to call and you would talk to somebody, and then without fail there would always be a little voice that come over and be like, to continue your call, please insert more money. You have to put in more money to keep that call going. That's how us old people used to talk to people before cell phones. So if you can't find parking in that free parking center, you can't come to the post office. You get 30 minutes for free if you're going to the post office. All others can pay a fee, so they have paid parking. I guess you can go buy a stamp. 29 minutes later, you can park there for free, maybe. I don't know. Well, we found a local restaurant that we just had dinner at. It's called King's Barbecue and Chinese restaurant. A lot of the Chinese restaurants here are also barbecue. I think they just try to diversify their business some, but it's really good. How was your food?
It was good. It was spicy.
Spicy. Oh, smoking. So if you're looking for some Chinese food or some barbecue, I don't see too much barbecue-ish stuff on their menu, but I stopped counting at 100 items. So they got a lot on their menu. So go check them out. So how do you know you're in a touristy town? When the cars go Mustang, Challenger, Mustang, Challenger, Mustang. It's both Challengers are red. Then you got 2 Mustangs that are black. That's pretty funny. So we found this cool little stop. It's got a bunch of food trucks and vendors and stuff in it. Apparently it's in Maui, well, in this little city that we're in, every Saturday at the swap meet and every Sunday by the Burger King. I'm sure Burger King appreciates that. But I was gonna get a brisket grilled cheese sandwich, but they ran out of brisket right before me. So I got pork belly, grilled cheese sandwich. We're gonna go back to the hotel because the hotel is like a minute drive from here. And eat at the hotel. What'd you get?
I got mandu plate with chop chip for the sides.
All I heard was chop check ting tong fried rice. She does that to me every time.
It's better than this.
Yeah, better than that. So mandu chip chop.
Japchae.
Chocolate chip?
Japchae.
Japchae?
It's noodles.
Noodles? Why'd you just say noodles?
Because you asked me
Why'd
what
you
I
say-
got, and I told you what I got.
Why'd you just say mandu with noodles?
Because that's not what I got.
You just told me it was noodles.
Right. But the name is Japchae, not noodles. You told me what I got,
Japchae?
and I told you what I got. It was mandu and Japchae.
What is mandu?
Dumplings.
Dumpling. Why'd you just say dumplings and noodles? Mandu chip chong ching.
Yes.
Why'd you just say dumplings and noodles? I got
So
dumplings and
Korean
noodles.
is mandu, not dumplings. And Japchae is what it's called. In
I got
Korean.
chop ching chong grilled cheese. I'm gonna call that.
Open the door.
I can't. My hands full. I'm recording and I got.
Then stop recording
that's-
and open the door.
Come on.
Give me the stuff.
Here. Well, I got my napkins are gonna fly. See what I got to deal with,
Open the door.
please.
Thank you.
No, you say please.
Open the door.
This is why your ATM card won't work.